Peace and love, family. Today we are going to be making crystal elixir water. We actually have two types of crystal elixirs that we're going to be making. One with toxic crystals and one with the non-toxic. So let's get right into it. So as you can see, we have a jar and a bowl, and those are for the toxic, and then we just have a plain mason jar for the non-toxic crystals. So let's get started with the left side. So the bowl itself is going to hold the crystals, and the jar that is inside of it is going to hold the water. You can use spring water, alkaline water, whatever you can afford and best suits the needs. So the reason why we're putting these toxic crystals inside of this bowl is because they have these negative properties for your organs. They are really damaging. They have things like mercury in them. I know y'all ain't trying to deal with all of those. We're just trying to get healed here. So let's just keep it simple, stupid, and put the water on top of the rocks and put the jar on top of the water. Let's get it. Fill that jar up about 3/4 of the way. A little bit more water. All right, cool. So let's set that in the bowl and set it to the side. Next up, we have our non-toxic crystals. Because the human body consists of 70% water, it's of utmost importance to supply it sufficiently with primary raw material water. All right. Now, all of these stones that are non-toxic, mind you, are a part of the quartz family. Crystals like rose quartz, amethyst, calcite, sodalite, clear quartz, smoky quartz, blue lace agate, fluorite. They're all harmless, excuse me. So now we're going to go ahead and add some water into this jar. Take a look at these bad boys real quick. I just love them. You see that carnelian? All right, so we're going to pour the water into the jar. Just fill up 3/4 of the way, same as last time. And now, my recommendation for you all is to set these in the sun or the moonlight, so close up your water so that they can properly charge with the Earth's frequency. Go ahead and set these crystals either in the sunlight or in direct moonlight. Crystal hematite in the center. Peace, thank you so much for tuning in. Please like, subscribe, and leave comments. Peace.